Welcome to the Rudder. My name's Damien and we're here with a very exciting vessel. This is the Highfield ADV 7. And first off, I just want you to have a look at this hull shape. This is the first time Highfield has gone into a fiberglass hull. This is a creation in collaboration with VOM Creations and Alpha Studios. Gives you some reminiscence of maybe a Saxdor or an Axopar. This is designed to cut through any chop with this new design fiberglass. It's the first time Highfield's ever gone there. So it makes it a very exciting vessel. This is one of the first in Australia, here at Northside Marine, and coming through the back, it flattens out a bit to give you a nice quiet ride on this adventure vessel powered by an awesome Yamaha V6 250. I mentioned this is an adventure vessel. It is going to get you where you want to go super quick, but in style. Let's jump aboard. As we do that, we've got a pocket ladder here so that can tuck away whilst we're underway. Grab points all over the place, and that's really important on a rib like this. You're going to be going fast. You want your guests to be nice and safe. You'll also notice cleats around the point and a toe up there if you want to pull something behind. Jumping on board into the rear cockpit section, I guess is what you'd call it. And we've got this fold away sunshade to keep the sun off. This can be filled in for an absolutely massive sun pad here at the back, or you can put those cushions away because you've got lots of storage space everywhere around this vessel, one on either side. So the cushions can go away. You've got a table you can put in there. So you've got dining space for quite a few friends. Some dry food in there. Of course you've got a fridge because this is a luxury adventure vessel. And finally, I think this is a great party trick, a galley. This is a 7-meter vessel. So we've got 2 sun pads. I'll show you the second one in a second. We've got a dining space, we've got a galley, we've got a fridge. Got everything you need for a very exciting day on the water. All finished off in extremely beautiful cross stitch and the aquatique down the bottom. Moving to the helm position, twin captain seats, which I really love. It's a bit boring being up here if there's only one of you. So you've got twin captain seat, put the bolster down, and you can tell these seats are made to go fast. They really hug you around the corners. So absolutely awesome driving position. Check out this steering wheel, taking cues from a sports car, no doubt. All your switches are where they want to be. Your Yamaha throttle control, little glove box to put things away. Very cool. You've got a large Garmin chart plotter and depth finder, Yamaha controls, Fusion stereo, wireless charging for your phone. Then plenty of places to put things, little charging points all over the place. That's what you need in a modern vessel like this, where you're going to have lots of friends aboard. You're going to spend the whole day out, so you need a little bit of cover during the day. You've got your sunshades there, and then once you've finished doing all that, we can move forward to the bow and lots of grab positions. So as you're moving around this vessel, you feel very safe. Midship cleats. We've even got a horn here. Don't get those in many ribs, so it's really good. I think, especially on the Gold Coast waterways, I think a horn is exceptionally important. People can sit on the ribs here. Lots of handles, lots of places to grab a hold. Moving forward to the bow section. This is the second sun pad, very large. I'm quite a big chap. Don't know if I can quite lie down. Oh yeah, I can lie down. So I can, so I can lie down, quite comfortable here. But if you jump up a bit, remove this cushion So we're here at the bow in probably one of the most exciting seats on this vessel if you're fully underway. You've got some grab points here to go through. You've got a fusion stereo for your tunes. The captain can see right over my head, so that's not a problem at all. More storage, more cup holders, really more luxury. Probably the last point of that luxury is a little secret under here to make this a true family day boat. We've got a little head under there, and even I'm 6'2". I can even sit under here, and I don't know, I'll try it out. Oh, there we go. Whew, I got nervous for a second. So, got a plumb toilet under there. And lastly, at the very front, obviously got some more cleats and an anchor. So this is the ADV 7 at Northside Marine. A very exciting vessel. I can't wait to get this on the water. I heard it goes through about 40 knots, which would be really exciting to drive. I'm hoping to do that one day. I hope you like this vessel. If you've got any questions, leave them down below, and we'll see you next time on the rudder.